Alright, we got my 2015 Honda Grom. I've already got an exhaust system here, the AR Donnelly, or AR exhaust as a lot of people call it. It's the same one Fooligan runs, and there's a lot of install tutorials online. So I'm wanting to change that out for something that I think's a little better, just from looking at the dyno results and whatnot. I'll give you a little sound clip on this one, and then I'll give you a sound clip after. So I like the sound that it has right now. I have no complaints with that, other than it does have a rattle. Quite annoying on long rides and whatnot. So the biggest dilemma I think I'm going to have is this Petex lower cowl here is a pain in the ass because I have the Kevtek Cage. So what I have to do virtually is I have to take off the cage and take off the Petex lower cowl. Now my dilemma comes in as getting to the exhaust. I don't know if I can get to the exhaust with leaving the cowl on and the cage. So I'm going to have to figure out maybe a swivel or something like that where I can just get to the two header bolts and then drop the whole assembly. But I'll get into it here in a few and see what all I got to do. I'll figure it out one way or another. But yeah, that'll be on here in a couple minutes and we'll test her out, see how it works. Also have quite a bit of other mods. Chimera intake and your Finbro ECU and the 150 injector, your basic bolt-on stuff that most riders do. So I'll get back with you in a few. Alright, I'm back here. It looks like I'm going to luck out. I can fit a wrench right here, and then I have an extension on a socket. That's what I'm going to use right there. I come up right through the center. Now as long as all this clears, and it should be good. Throw it on there and hopefully see a little boost in performance. We'll see. Alright, here's a quick side-by-side comparison of the two. You know, that's noticeably larger on the pipe, and it tapers where it keeps getting bigger. There's this one pretty small and restrictive, you know, more air in, more air out. That's kind of the whole theory behind everything. So pretty excited to see how this performs. Alright, I've ran into a dilemma here. It seems that the Yoshimura exhaust system will not fit with the Petex lower cowl without some modifications to the cowl. So here it is. It's nice and tight. I was able to get up in here and get those. They're just finger tight right now. There you go, it'll focus. Got a rubber band holding that on there, and it's finger tight. So it fits, and I can get up there without taking it off, which is great because I thought I was going to have to mess with all that. But right here, it touches the plastic. Not a big deal. I've already hacked the hell out of this Petex cowl to fit the cage here, so not a big deal. I'm just going to have to get the Dremel out and cut into it some more. I worry a little bit about it being so close that it gets hot on it, and if that does end up being a problem, then maybe I'll have to run without it. But I really like the look of it with the Petex cowl on it, so I'm gonna see what happens. Maybe I'll put some heat tape on inside of it or something like that to prolong it wearing out. I'll get back to you guys whenever I fix this problem. Alright, back on the Honda Grom install of the Yoshimura exhaust. Alright, so you can see here I've been having to do lots of trimming to make this fit, and I just about got it where I want it to be. Might take a little bit more off. I'm going to show you a little bit. I don't really have a stand, so I can't do this. And then, so that's about my clearance right now. I'm going to have to fab up some kind of heat tape or something. That I might even wrap the whole exhaust. It's not a bad idea. But that's that's where my clearance is. It's gonna look pretty trick being like that close to the lower cowl. Definitely a custom one-off look. I'm not gonna see another one with that. Majority of people don't buy a what, $200 cowl and chop it all to pieces, so probably be the only one. Other than that, I'm happy with how this install's going. It should be just a little bit more time and I should be finished. Gotta decide if I'm gonna do a heat wrap on it or if I'm gonna do some heat tape or something on the inside of that cowl. Alright, back with the exhaust install. The other problem is this is a 15 Grom, so it didn't have the proper bracket. I'm going to bring you over here to 17 Grom and you'll see what I'm talking about. So this right here, I had to custom fab a little aluminum bracket with some spacers. Put them in there, double bolted. I might change out for a different bracket later, but this one seems to work great as it is. There's my clearance down there. Just gotta put my spring on. Other than that, she's ready to ride. Give you a little demo of how it sounds now. Hey, what do you throttle your tire like? So that's the bracket it's missing on the 15. If you're going to do it on 15 or 14, you'll have to either swap rear sets or make a bracket.